Without a single scoop of soil, these farmers are growing entire farms that float on water. In Bangladesh, people still use an incredible centuries-old farming technique that has amazed the world. They start by gathering huge amounts of water hyacinth and stacking it layer by layer to create a floating platform called a dap. Over time, this natural bed becomes rich and fertile enough to grow a variety of crops. Even during massive floods and heavy monsoon rains, these farms don't sink. Instead, they rise with the water level and can even be moved to a new location when needed. Would you try farming like this? Comment below.